Welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. Today we are going our friend house.
What is this? 小鹿，大鹿，乌鸡，乌鸡，乌鸡，小鹿。
So he invite for dinner today, so we are going to cook and eat together. So in starting we little bit play with his son.
Three, one,
It's
two,
almost 4
three.
year and we play a lot with him.
One, two, three. One, two, three.
One, two,
Okay. One, two, three.
还有脚，还好。
One, two, three.
附件啊。One, two,
Two, three.
One, two,
One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three.
one,
Hey. One, two, three. One, two, three.
one, two,
One, two, three.
three.
So it's time to for cooking. I'm going to make a chicken curry. So I just start cooking.
Ali, what do you want to use? The sauce.
Huh? No, I need to cut now first.
Cut first.
需要什么？其实这个火车其实是可以这样的。
我也不知道啊。
Where's knife?
那 OK。Sorry。来了。
金光也飞。阿力叔叔，谢谢。没有，我帮我拿个垫子。垫子。
Ali, what you made? What you made it?
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry. Okay.
Making chicken curry.
Oh, chicken curry. The oil and the onion and the tomatoes.
I need to make brown first.
Okay.
以后就会跟他一起去玩。开车可以坐得下几个人？够了，我那台车该可以。
可以，可以很大。
Translate
然后
lah.
问他要不要去那个阿里山，阿里山呐、
哦，next week，
Next week 阿里山。
阿里山。
It's not your son. It means 阿里山。
可是那个没有到奋起湖哎，玩嘉义的而已，要吗？
我不知道，他都没去过吧？Never went there before, right? Not yet. Look here, chef. Look here, chef.
Just waiting for. And his wife cooks some Taiwanese food. This one is a Japanese soup, rice, and a fish, fried mushroom, fish, and some tofu and some vegetable. It's some Taiwanese food they cook for me.
对。
好厉害！
巴基斯坦。
这个，这张都是我吃。
阿里叔叔煮的。
谢谢哦。
谢谢。
阿你叔叔的。
对。
谢谢哦。
This is tofu, right?
Yes,
Tofu.
豆腐。
Fish and
Fish, broccoli,
this is broccoli and this one
mushroom. You like the mushroom?
Mushroom,
Try mushroom the same.
and soup, fish soup.
味噌汤，
味噌我不会讲。
Japanese soup.
Oh. Hmm. You want to eat?
I don't eat.
You want to eat?
Okay.
Okay.
Again.
Again.
阿里叔叔。
阿丽叔叔，
阿你叔叔。
Bye bye.
拜拜。
Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.
谢谢谢
Share,
谢。
share, share, share. After the meet, we say goodbye, and he bring us his grandpa shop. His grandpa make a three-piece suits according to customized. So he asked grandpa to make a one suit for me.
应该是不会来第二次试西装，就直接。
谁要穿的？
如果进来啦，
对啊，
你要穿的。
对。
啊，伊无做西装啊，武器相当好做到。
无要紧，无要紧。你我之前嘛会使，伊甲我差不多。
What?
你较大颗呢？
What you guys talking? What you guys talking?
试穿，
他是要
试穿我来
试穿第二次啊。
对，我来试穿就好。因为我跟他差不多嘛。
你比较有
What you
比较有肉一
talking?
点。
What you talking?
We're talking about you will make it and like
实验室
design personal design first and then make it. He will help you to second try.
就
Here.
是
Why? I just asked. I not want to make.
Huh?
What do you mean?
He will make one for you.
Why?
Not why.
No, no, no. It's not okay 啦。
印度旁边那边，印度旁边那边巴基斯坦。
Second time. You cannot
I
come
have
here
one.
second time, right?
Yeah.
Okay
So why
lah.
they want to
他没
make?
办法了，
看一眼。
I'm here to
Why? No, no. Why you want to make?
要做啦，要做。
you go to try 啦。
Why? Why?
Look the. No.
Why?
Because it's his
Shop.
shop, yeah.
It's not good 啦。
Memory 啦，memory。
So it's a cloth.
给他纪念。
你这个小官布，
Oh.
放一口。
就是
真的没有。
Oh, this one looks good. This one, yeah, it's good. Oh, are you like this?
Here also lah, too many lah.
No, I checked lah.
Which one?
This?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
他喜欢那个。
Why you making this?
妈，你有加吗？不加。
Okay lah.
Not need to focus. So after that, we a little bit
到
talk.
花莲航空学校哦，
航空学校。
花莲有航空学校这样。
对，我知道。
对啊，包括底下待2个月。
在七星潭那边。
都航空学校到下久了，我嘛讲伊较早做兵拢叫花莲邮政几号这样子。哎呀。
花莲。
Grandma also brings some
现在这个已经，现在这个
so
你哦，
kind and very
谁？现在队长哎。
不要那么多年了，现在聪明就比较，这个有。
谢谢 thank you. My friend left me there. His house is near to the Mitsu, so we also visit here Mitsu after our dinner. He not
你也有惧高症啊？
he not go to the
我也有
hiking
可是
also
那个
he's
还好
scared.
那个还有那个很高哎。
可是你有啊，风的
哦。说你也。
玻璃机那个也不太可能，因为玻璃机的验证太难。
对啊，所以我觉得最快的就是，因为我耳朵膜都建好了。对啊，所以其实只要找一个主题或者。
Thank you guys for I hope you enjoyed the video today. You know that we go our friend house, he invite for our dinner, and also I cook a Pakistani curry there and whole family like it. After that now we are in the Mitsu, and at night time it's view is good. On the west side is the beach, so it's very beautiful view also. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.